me. In front of me is REALME 9i, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now choose convenience tools and tap on navigation. After that, you need to tap on the switcher next to pull down to enter one-handed mode. Following that, you need to follow all of those instructions. Pull down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. When I do that, come on. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you want to change placement of it, you need to click on this icon at the bottom right or left corner. If you wish to go back, you need to click on this one at the top right or left one. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, click on the same switcher over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!